Okay guys, good day. This video is to guide you on how to install SX programmer for Fuji PLCs, and as such we are using the setup that has already been placed in a Google Drive for you. So this link will be in the description, and then from the link all you need to do is to open your browser, or when you click on the link from the description in your browser, it will take you to the Google Drive where you can get the setup files. So once you open, you click on download and you wait for the file or the raw file to be downloaded. The raw file is about 578 megabytes, so not that big. And then once your download is completed, we will continue with the installation. So when download is completed, you go to your downloads folder, try and extract the raw file. You extract it, you unzip it like I have done with WinRAR or any archive handling tool, and then once you've done that, you can go in. Now look for the auto run file and run it as administrator. Okay, so you run it as administrator, and then this will open the SS programming window. Select standard version 3, then select the first one, then you install everything step by step as I'm doing. Now after extraction, it would prompt you concerning this. You accept, and then you continue the installation. Now install the softwares in the order like I have. Okay, so once you are done with all these, you can go back and then exit the setup program, then search for the installed applications from your list of programs, and then we will install some drivers from the program list area. So just look through your start menu, and then look for the SX programmer installation folder. Yeah, there it is. Now there are 3 driver softwares will run, So run each tool as administrator to make sure it gets all the needed privileges for the setup to be complete. So you do the first one, then afterwards you can click on finish when done, then go back to your start menu, and then the same SX programmer folder, try and install the second drivers. Run that one too as administrator, and when it's done you click finish, go back to your start menu, then you run the last one as administrator too. Click on finish. Okay, so that's done. So now we can move on to run our SX programmer for the first time. And if you have the SS programmer screen window opening up, then you've actually done a great job. Now installing the drivers will ensure that everything is well installed. Bye bye.